Hello, my YouTube family. I am back with another pick a pile video. So आज का हमारा जो वीडियो है that is about कि आपका जो upcoming week है that is from 17th of June 2024 से 23rd June 2024 आपके लिए कैसे रहने वाला है. All you need to do is pick a pile दैट रेजोनेट्स द मोस्ट विद यू, या फिर जो भी क्रिस्टल आपके साथ रेजोनेट कर रहा है या जो भी पायल की तरफ आप अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं. ऑल यू टू डू इज चूज दैट पायल एंड वी शैल स्टार्ट विद योर रीडिंग नाउ. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद पायल नंबर 1. सो जिन्होंने भी ये क्रिस्टल चूज़ किया है या पायल नंबर 1 को चूज़ किया है, लेट्स सी उनके लिए क्या कह रहे हैं कार्ड्स, क्या रीडिंग है उनके लिए. सो लेट्स सी आपका सेल्फ केयर के लिए क्या कार्ड्स आए हैं फॉर योर सेल्फ केयर रूटीन. इट सेज प्लान अ वेकेशन. एज पर द कार्ड्स यू नीड टू प्लान अ वेकेशन फॉर योर सेल्फ टू रिलैक्स डाउन अपना टू स्ट्रेस फ्री योर माइंड. यू नीड टू plan a vacation with your family wherein you can enjoy and leave your worries behind is what the cards are trying to say. Let's see आपका ये वीक कैसे रहने वाला है. पाइल नंबर 1. ओके, so pile number 1 with 3 of wands, it says this week is going to be very fast for you. This week is गोइंग टू ब्रिंग इन अ लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी फॉर यू. बहुत ही पॉजिटिविटी से भरा हुआ रहेगा ये वीक. आप कहीं ना कहीं ट्रैवल का प्लान कर सकते हैं. ट्रैवल रहेगा इस वीक में. चेंजेस आर गोइंग टू बी देयर इन योर लाइफ. आई डू सी यू टेकिंग सम स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसीजंस इन दिस वीक. आप अपने काम को लेकर या वर्क ट्रैवल हो सकता है या आप वेकेशन भी प्लान कर पाएंगे. आपके जो काम आपने स्टार्ट किए हुए थे दिल कम टू एन एंड. यू फाइंड सक्सेस. अबंडेंस है कार्ड्स में. कुछ फ्रूटफुल रहेगा आपके लिए इस वीक में. ओवरऑल जो वीक की एनर्जी है बहुत अच्छी है. बहुत सोच समझ के लेना अगर आप कोई भी डिसीजन ले रहे हैं इस वीक में. एक जो गाइडेंस आ रही है. अगर आपको कोई हेल्प चाहिए, किसी गाइडेंस की ज़रूरत भी पड़ रही है, यू कैन आस्क योर बॉस या फिर कोई सुपीरियर पर्सन या फिर समवन जिसे आप बहुत ज़्यादा मानते हैं. ये वीक कहीं ना कहीं आपके फादर फिगर के अराउंड भी रिवॉल्व कर सकता है. आपके फादर कुछ डिसीजंस आपके लिए ले सकते हैं या फिर कुछ जो एक स्टोरी लाइन है इस वीक की उनके अराउंड घूम सकती है. ऑल्सो विद the Empress card, you're going to enjoy motherhood this week. People who are planning for a baby can receive a good news soon. As per the cards, I also see love is going to bloom. Relationships are going to get better for people. There's going to be a lot of emotional situation that is going to be there for pile number 1. So overall this week is going to be very good. This is going to be very amazing for each one of you. I see some decisions that you would have to make. Also the cards are trying to say that you need to discipline yourself a little bit. You need to make a routine for yourself. You need to plan your day and you need to follow the rules and regulations. You need to be strict with yourself. थोड़ा सा regarding how you deal with emotions or how you deal in your life, you have to also work on your skill sets a bit is what I'm getting from the cards. Let's see what the fortune cards has to say about your week. See, the cards are also saying the romance is in the air. Someone new can enter your life, or this week is going to be filled with lots of emotions for you on a positive note. And the other one says warning you of a problem either now or in the near future. So ये जो problem का card आ रहा है, it could be relating to the guidance that we have received regarding maintaining your routine or planning your day it could revolve around some rules and regulations, या आपके फादर फिगर के साथ कोई इशू हो सकता है आपका, या उनको लेकर कहीं ना कहीं कुछ कंसर्न रह सकता है. So this is the reading for you, pile number 1. Have a great week ahead. ओके, कमिंग ऑन टू पाइल नंबर 2. जिन्होंने भी ये क्रिस्टल चूज़ किया है, पैरेट को चूज़ किया है, लेट्स सी आपके लिए क्या सेल्फ केयर रिचुअल है फॉर द वीक. एंड इट सेज मसाज. ओके, पाइल नंबर 2. सो द कार्ड हेयर इज ट्राइंग टू से दैट massage is a very vital part of self care. So because most people live with some amount of discomfort, so sometimes specific places in our bodies scream out for attention through pain, while others make subtle requests through stiffness and limited mobility. So before you start a massage, scan your body from head to toe. Feel into the areas where you're holding tension. Set the intention of releasing your physical and emotional discomfort during the massage. So try to book a massage with a professional as a royal treat for yourself, or otherwise you can also create a relaxing space at home with subtle lighting and candles by setting an intention, and massage your hands and feet because it would help you out to release the tensions in your muscles. So let's see how this week is going for you, pile number 2. Okay, pile number 2, I do see you are going to make some strong decisions this week. I do see you focusing towards your goals, things working out in your favor. I also see that you're going to be working really hard this week. There is going to be work on your mind. You're going to think very practical, but things will work out in your favor. But by the end of the week, there would come a situation wherein you would feel burdened with responsibilities. You would feel that you have worked really well, and you would not receive the amount of what do we say, rewards that you should have. So again, the cards are saying that if you are holding on to something, you are holding on to any negative thoughts, you need to release it. I do see a new beginning for many of you for this week. I do see a light after dark for most of you. Everything will revolve around the choices that you are going to make this week. So you need to think thoroughly before you take any step. Also, one more thing that I see is let go of any hurt that you are holding on to. With the responsibility part here, I do feel maybe by the end of the week you would be so tired by working that you would really need a massage. So focus on your body, focus on your physical health is also what the cards are trying to say. Let's see what do we have from the fortune cards. So see, this resonates a lot with the massage part and the 10 of swords, which says pay attention to your health. So if you are having any sort of pain in your back, in your legs or arms, you should give focus to that. Get a good massage. And the second says danger, especially in money matters. So the decisions that I'm talking about, so whatsoever decision you are going to take, you need to be thorough with that. You need to go through with each and every detail of it, especially if it is related to any sort of deal or it is related to any sort of money matter. So be careful. There are chances of fraud could happen with you, or you could lose some money. Try not to invest in this week, as the investment could lead to a lot of losses for you. So this was the reading for pile number 2. Have a nice week ahead, pile number 2. Okay, so for people who have chosen pile number 3, let's see what the cards have to say for you. For people who have chosen this crystal, let's see what's your self-care routine for the week. It's aromatherapy. Okay, pile number 3, the card here is trying to say that aromatherapy is a powerful tool to Connect with plants, flowers, herbs, and the environment around you. So take time to notice what you smell. Pay close attention to how difficult scents make you feel and what memories they trigger. Try going for a walk in nature and breathe in the fragrance of the plants, trees, and air. Tune in deeper with your sense of smell. You can also go one step further by stepping up and setting up an aromatherapy diffuser near your bedside or in your office. Use calming and relaxing essential oils like lavender to help you get into the right mental state for sleep. For brain stimulation, explore essential oils like peppermint and rosemary to keep your mind sharp at work. So let's see what is going to be week ahead for you, what the cards have to say for your week. Okay, pile number 3, there is a lot of soul searching that would be happening this week. The guidance here is you need to spend some time alone and gather out your thoughts, journalize, write them down, what you want, where you are at your life, what dreams you want to achieve in your life. With Queen of Cups, I do see an emotional satisfaction for you. I do see a motherly figure. Here I do see love blooming. I do see you are someone who is very caring, someone who is very nurturing, someone who likes to take care of people. Also, with the Justice card, I do see that if there is any legal matter going on, it is going to be solved soon. The week is all about going to be justice. Karma is going to be revolving around this week. So what you have given out to the people, you're going to receive that. So if you have given out hate, you're going to receive that. You have given out love, you're going to receive 2x time of that into your life. Let's see what the fortune cards have to say about this week. We have tortoise that says slowly but getting ahead. So your plans are going to work out. This week is going to be a little slow for you, but by the end of this week, things are going to work out for you and they're going to work out in your favor. Broom that says new home or new attitude, which says that this particular week is going to be a start of new beginning for you. You can also plan to buy a new home. So even if you have invested into a new home, it would lead to the positivity. And I do see a new attitude that says a new routine could come up with you. There could be new things that you can plan. So whatsoever thing it is, with the Justice card, I do see that an end of a cycle is going to come and there is going to be a start of something new in the future for you in this particular week. So this was your reading, pile number 3. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll be back with more videos. So let me know in the comment section if the video resonated with you or not. And let me know what kind of videos would you like to see more.